Now we're gonna do a quick and easy meal. This is Beyond Burger fake meat. These are actually pretty good. I don't think they're quite as good as an Impossible Burger, but I'm gonna cook these up on the grill, and some veggies and maybe some beans. Yeah, some beans. It's gonna be a quick and easy meal. All I did was put some olive oil and some Creole seasoning on these to go on the grill. And on the Beyond Burgers, fake burgers, I'm gonna put some of this Shifty's classic seasoning. And I'm also gonna grill up some onion on the grill for the burgers. Fake burger. So when I'm in a crowded campground, I really don't like to GoPro myself cooking. So here, look at the clouds. They were nice. All right, there's the zucchini and the burgers. And with it, I'm doing that. Oh, there's no light there. From Aldi's, fucking buffalo beans. These are serious beans. The other one with Dr. Pepper wasn't too bad. On the microwave, it needs another minute. Now we're gonna eat these, but let's get this all fixed up. Sorry that the meals so far have just been cell phone stuff. I'm not going into great detail. These beans were okay. They tasted like Tabasco sauce for the buffalo. That's where they got their flavor from. And although they weren't very hot, I'm just not a huge fan of that flavor. Now the Beyond Burgers, when you grill them, they cook up like real hamburger. They like bleed a little bit. All right, flyover. I'm eating with a spoon because I got those beans. And I think I can make myself eat zucchini with a spoon while I eat these fake burgers. All right, gonna give them a taste. Again, if you haven't had these or Impossibles, it doesn't taste like you're eating a salad. You know you're eating a burger. Okay, zucchini. That's what zucchini tastes like. All right, there's one of the fake burgers with a bite taken out of it. And I'm telling you, that stuff's not that bad. It tastes hamburgery. And if you dress them up like a regular burger, like I put the grilled onions on it, it can fool your taste buds and you'll be happy. All right. So those are pretty heavy on the buffalo sauce taste. It tastes just like buffalo wings. Nice and spicy. Actually pretty darn good. Like I said, the Tabasco flavor grew on me and I'm just not a fan. So they really got that whole buffalo wings taste. It tastes just like, you know, mild to medium wing sauce. It's pretty good. They did all right. If you like Tabasco flavor, you'll like these beans. Whoever makes that for Aldi's did all right. All right, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. I'm gonna add a sunset to this, I think. Nope, no sunset. It's really got that Tabasco-y kind of flavor. Not hot, but Tabasco-y flavor, for those of you that might wonder. It's pretty good. So in a sense, on this camping trip, I did a meatless meal. There's a movie going in the background if that bothers you.